Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best sunshade in the 8x12 foot category. The Shade&Beyond 90% sunshade cloth with grommets. Whether you're looking to create a cool retreat in your backyard, protect your plants, or add shade to your patio or pergola, this shade cover promises to deliver high performance and durability. Right out of the box, this shade cloth stands out due to its robust construction. Made from 200 GSM high-density polyethylene material, it's designed to be both lightweight and strong, which means it provides excellent airflow while resisting wear and tear from daily outdoor exposure. This fabric is engineered to withstand various weather conditions, from blazing summer sun to rainy days, making it an all-season companion for your outdoor space. One of the key features of this shade cloth is its ability to block up to 90% of harmful UV rays. This level of sun protection is ideal for anyone wanting to enjoy their outdoor area without worrying about harsh sun exposure. The shade cloth not only helps protect your skin but also helps keep the temperature down under the canopy, making your outdoor activities much more comfortable. Installation is a breeze with this product. It comes equipped with reinforced grommets placed every 2 feet along the edges, allowing you to easily attach the shade cloth securely using the included zip ties, ropes, and bungee hooks. These grommets are doubled up for extra strength, which prevents tearing and ensures the fabric holds up well when stretched over your pergola or patio frame. This thoughtful design means you can set it up quickly and have it looking neat and uniform. In addition to practical use, the mocha color adds a warm, stylish touch to your outdoor environment. It blends well with natural surroundings and doesn't fade easily, so your shade will look great season after season. Versatility is another highlight here. This shade cloth isn't just for patios or pergolas. You can use it to shield your greenhouse plants, provide privacy, or even cover pet houses. The mesh fabric balances sunlight filtering with privacy, so you can enjoy the view without feeling completely closed off. Moreover, the product is designed with durability in mind. The stitching is strong and the seams are reinforced, making it a dependable shade option that won't easily fray or wear out. Despite its sturdy build, it remains flexible enough to stretch slightly, which helps in fitting different outdoor structures perfectly. Safety is important, and this shade cloth is no exception. It's advised not to use it in heavy winds or storms to avoid damage or accidents. Properly securing it will help maintain its position and effectiveness in normal weather. To sum it up, the Shade&Beyond 90% sunshade cloth is an excellent choice if you want a high-quality, easy-to-install, and durable shade solution. It offers substantial UV protection, breathability, and a great look for your outdoor areas, making it a practical investment for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor comfort. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the best sunshade 8x12, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest and thorough product reviews. See you in the next video.